So now in this video we're going to look at using the capacitor basically kind of like a mini rechargeable battery. So first we have to charge it. There's the negative side of the capacitor. This is actually a 100 microfarad capacitor. The 1000 microfarad capacitor is the larger one up there. We're going to look at that as well. So we go to the positive supply. That charges the capacitor, which happens pretty much instantly as long as the power supply can provide current that rapidly. But there you can see about how long we were able to power that LED. And not only that, as the capacitor discharges, the voltage goes down. So the LED gets less bright. So that's a 100 microfarad capacitor. I'm going to move the jumper up to the 1000 microfarad capacitor. And these are polarized. You can see a gray band. That's where the shorter lead is going to the negative supply. So we are going to instantly charge the 1000 microfarad capacitor. And if it's a larger value, you might see a big spark because a lot more current will flow. But that's why I limit it to 1000 microfarad. But there you can see the LED lit up for a lot longer period of time. It stayed brighter longer and it's taking longer to fade down. Probably about 10 times as long approximately. So 1000 microfarad is the same as 0.001 farad. Because a microfarad is 1/1,000,000th of a farad, and 0.001 farad is the same as 1 millifarad, but for some reason capacitors don't usually show their value in millifarads. They usually show it in microfarads, nanofarads are smaller, and picofarads are smaller. You see them in those values too, but generally you don't see them in millifarads. So the higher the capacitance in farad, the more charge you have per volt. As I said before, the 1000 microfarad has 10 times as much charge per volt. We are charging to 12 volts here as a 100 microfarad. So in any case, this is just a quick introduction demonstration of the capacitor if you tried using it as a power source. Most actual capacitors used in power sources are super capacitors, but they're a lot more dangerous and tricky to use, and I'm not covering it in this video series, at least not this far yet. So, hope you enjoyed.